You're going to conduct a clinical trial, right? Tell us about that and the goals from that. Hopefully, get the right kind of data that you're hoping for.
Yeah, exactly. So we are just about right now ready to get started on a clinical trial that we're doing in Australia. And this is really just to help us drive adoption on the market here in the US. So just as of the beginning of this month, early June, we have received FDA clearance. So
Congratulations.
yeah, thank you. Yeah. So we're already actually ready to commercialize and sell and start clinical studies here in the US. We don't have any restrictions in terms of needing to do a clinical study like many, are required prior to FDA approval, for example. We're doing this really just to establish that what we've done preclinically, so in animal models up until this point, translates to the patients. So we're doing a study with a really well-known surgeon in Australia, Dr. Randy Bindra is the PI for our study. And he is basically taking patients that already are super prone to scarring. So they're doing this is actually a secondary surgery. They've already had an issue in the past where they cut their hand, they repair their tendon, but they don't have enough function in their hand. And they want to come back and get what's called a tenolysis, which is cutting away the scar tissue that had formed from a previous surgery. And then at that point, we'll apply our gel. And what the hope is that even in these patients that are prone to scarring, that we can prevent these scars from reforming and we can kind of protect the tissue while it heals so that you get better range of motion and better function downstream.
Okay.